Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install and configure Typesetter CMS on Fedora 34. Typesetter is a public code that is available for content management system written in a programming language that allows users to create website with Java keywords as well as jQuery, Learner CSS, Sass, Bootstrap, and the text editor automatically saves drafts and published versions using a single program. Now I'm going to check voice version. Use this following command. This is voice version for 34. Now I'm going to download Typesetter CMS by using wget command. Package downloader. Now I'm going to unzip this downloaded package. Use this following command. Mention here directory. And then I'm going to give owner name and group name for this typesetter directory. Use this following command. And then I'm going to give permission for this directory. And now I'm going to open virtual host configuration file. Use this following command. Make this virtual host configuration like this, then save and exit. Now I'm going to create MySQL database. Use the following command. Enter your database password. Here you can create database detail. And then I'm going to open host entry file. Use this following command. Here enter your IP and domain name. Then save and exit. And restart your Apache. Use this following command. Then go to the browser. Here you can search your domain. See here, this is database detail for Typesetter CMS. Here you can enter your detail for admin, enter your Gmail, enter your admin credentials, then install. Click here. This is dashboard page for Typesetter CMS. This installation and configuration Typesetter CMS on Fedora 34 comes to end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.